Hi, I'm Cody on the Prophecy marketing team, and today I'm using Prophecy to explore HubSpot contact data. So I've just uploaded a list from one of our nurture sequences because I want to get a better understanding of who is actually on this list and how they have interacted with our emails. For the purposes of this public video, I do want to note that we anonymized this data and made some other changes. So you're not seeing exactly what I saw the first time, and you're not going to catch a glimpse of anybody on our list, their real email, that sort of thing. So I first asked the Prophecy agent in plain English here to remove student emails and contacts with student as the job title because that matters to me. I want to make sure in this case that I'm only looking at contacts that I would actually want to influence with our nurture campaign. So of note, right here, the agent's going to run that for me automatically. And right here, if I wanted to, I could go inspect the logic, how behind the scenes with real code Prophecy's agent did this. I have context as a business user, and this is a really useful feature if the results seem off. Like, for example, if thousands of contacts with the student job title have been removed, I might be a little bit suspicious. But in this case, it looks good, so I'm confident moving forward. So at this point, I'm asking the agent to help me sort job titles into different personas. I want to, understand who is on this list. That's very difficult for me, at least, with HubSpot reporting. So I get these results here. It's starting to break it down. Interestingly enough, Prophecy is already preempting what I would like to do next, which is looking at engagement metrics by persona, which is very difficult to do in HubSpot. So now we're really getting somewhere. So I ask it to do that, and now I'm getting a table, with these results. So I can click into this table and inspect things further, get a clear look at what is in here, what insights might be starting to pop up. But also, Prophecy is going to deliver me some insights here, not just the tables. This is a quick way to get new ideas and check my work, see if I'm missing any opportunities. As I'm not a data professional, even though I have business context, I appreciate how the agent can basically prompt back at me here and help me, expand my way of thinking. But now I can start to see what types of contacts we've done a better job communicating with. But now that I'm thinking about this list, I'm remembering that, the age of some of these contacts. What we have here is already useful, but I wanted to check out what happens if I use the last email open date metric and see, are there any, unengaged contacts that are influencing what we're seeing here. So I asked the agent to do that, and it digs in right away. And it's providing me these tables, but it is showing that never open users are diluting metrics significantly. That doesn't mean that I don't care about them at all, but that is relevant when I'm looking at the performance of a nurture campaign. And of note, the agent is now asking me here if I want to add this field, this segment to the analysis. That's another useful feature for me, not something I would always think to do on my own. So I asked the agent to do that, and also to create an analysis dashboard to help visualize these. Takes a few minutes here, and it creates that for me. It also creates this dashboard over here where I could share this with someone on the team, and they could quickly get back up to speed. So now I have access by using Prophecy's, agents here to more data to answer questions that I could share with the rest of the team. This is something that as the team, we can dig in together and, take a closer look at our strategies and tactics. This whole process took me 10, 15 minutes. I'm a marketer. I'm not a data analyst. Prophecy is helping me answer real questions from leadership so we can all perform our work more effectively without waiting for help from someone on the data team to perform this kind of analysis. So if this is interesting to you, you can check this out yourself at our website. Hope you do. Hope this was useful. Thank you.